Hi everyone, welcome back to Lyndon Houston Cooking. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade vanilla ice cream, better than even store-bought ice cream. Delicious, tasty, creamy, and custardy vanilla ice cream. Sit back, relax, do enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, thumbs up the video, and feel free to subscribe. Let's get into the video. So here are a list of ingredients you need. I have some evaporated milk here, 1 cup evaporated milk, half cup condensed milk, about 2 spoons of vanilla extract, 4 egg yolk, and we have a cup of whipped cream inside here, and I'm going to use a bit of Himalaya salt in this. So on here we have this pan, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to warm through the evaporated milk. Very important. We're not going to boil it, we're just going to warm it through. So next up, over this side, we're going to pour egg yolk straight in. Next up, I'm going to put some salt in this. And the salt is just for balance. Next thing, I'm going to add vanilla in. After that, we're going to pour warm evaporated milk over that. Remember to gently stir it. Next thing we're doing, we're going to put back our mixture in this. And remember to constant stir it. What we want this to do, we want this to form like a custard. So if you notice here, the consistency is changing. So what we're going to do, turn the gas off. Next up, we're going to pour this back straight in stainless steel bowl. Very important to use stainless steel bowl. You notice, look at the consistency of this. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to pour in our condensed milk. What this do is help to thicken it, also help to cool it down. Now this part is very important. Get yourself a bath, ice bath, because this vanilla ice cream is going to be one of the best, creamiest and tasty. And what we're doing now, we're going to whip this and we're going to cool him down. Continue whip it until it cool down, because it's going to form a nice smooth custard. Next up is we have our double cream, and we need to whip this. So make sure don't whip it too much. So this is the thickness you want this. You don't want it thicker than this. Okay, the next part is, if you can see, look how thick this is. You see that? From that custard. What I'm going to do, yeah, just to take out a little bit of rawness, just a little splash of lime in this, just to take away that eggy taste. You see that? And what that do is start to thicken this up. Look at that. See that? And it haven't frozen yet. So now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put the whipped cream in, or double cream, whatever you call it. So that's the perfect way of making your homemade ice cream. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do find value in this content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Do leave positive comment. You see that? So make sure you hold it gently. Keep it in the ice. You're going to see this come. We're going to blend this in properly. So our homemade ice cream, a rule of thumbs, when you put this in, it must coat the back of the spoon. Seeing that? That you only know you have a proper vanilla homemade ice cream. Look at that. You see how thick that is? I'm telling you, this is going to be better than any store-bought ice cream. Look at that. So now we're going to pour it in our desired container. So I'm just going to pour it in this. Hope everything hold. Look how rich that is. Nice, rich, creamy, custardy, homemade vanilla ice cream. Doesn't get better than that. So now I'm going to put this in the fridge, the freezer, for about 4 hours. So now our homemade vanilla ice cream is ready. And look how smooth this is. This is better than even store-bought ice cream. This is one of the best homemade vanilla ice cream you'll ever see and taste. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Do leave a positive comment, and thanks for watching. This is so delicious.